We're starting from the top down, working our way. No chemicals, only water. Only water, guys. We're knocking the dirt and dust off of brand new equipment. Everything's taped off, ready to roll. What's going on, guys? Lil's Pressure Washing. We're out here doing some post-construction, industrial type work. Got my guys coming down. We're starting all the way at the top, pressure washing our way down, like 5 stories up that way, working our way back down. And yeah, welcome to the channel. Hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. Let's get into this video. What we're doing, like I said, we're starting from very up top, washing all this conveyor belt system, working our way from the top all the way down to the bottom. Obviously let gravity work for us, so we're working all the way from the top all the way to the bottom. Again, guys, we're not using no chemicals on this. I'm doing a quick walkthrough to show you the scope of the work. It's a lot of equipment. We're cleaning the conveyor belt system from the top to the bottom. All of these beams, no chemicals, only elbow grease and water. Let's go. Guys, we've got water brooms in the way to stop water from going there. We're going to be washing down there, but we want to stop as much water as possible from going through there. We're going to fire this machine up right here, start sucking some of this water up. Up in there, it is absolutely amazing. We got to get these sides. We ain't done these yet. We're gonna work our way out. So we're wrapping up the top part of this cleaning right now. I'll take you up really quick and show you guys. We're wrapping up the top part of this. And yeah, it's gonna look good. Gonna look good, gonna look good. We still gotta do all the bottom side, but then we're gonna do the top part. See, like right here, still some dirt and dust in there. But for the most part, it looks really, really, really good. Let me pan you around. All right, guys, we're down here at the end of the tunnel. See right here? We're at the end of the tunnel right here. Actually, not quite the end of the tunnel. Let me show you. Way back here is more into the tunnel. So you see right here? We're all the way back, I think 50 feet underground in this tunnel system. See right here? I'm gonna pan you all around and show you what we had to clean. So this is where it ends, this particular part of the tunnels. Comes out to here. We're gonna go around here. We're way underground. So we're gonna start washing. Right, that's another tunnel system, top of the conveyor belt right here. We're gonna wash up through here. So we're gonna wash these. The top of the conveyor belt system. You see right here, right there. We're gonna brush this and wash it. Not all that, just the top, that's what they want us to do. And it goes all the way out. More tunnel system over there. Hundreds of feet of hose coming in here. Branches off to another tunnel system. And once again, we're gonna wash these right here. Right there. All right. Taking you back out this way. Wash this cover system. We're gonna go up here. You see he's already got the water going down there. Another tunnel system that way. We've already washed this right here all the way down, and this is where we started at. Water bin, we've tried to prevent as much water getting down here as possible. And we use that machine right there, sucking up tons of gallons at a time. Not literally tons, but bunches of gallons at a time. You can see we've ran it around right here already, sucking the water out. Once we're done, we're gonna do the floors last. Get all this water out of here. So yeah, brushed every single piece of this, guys. That's what it's about, going above and beyond. People over profits, doing the right thing, building relationships. 3:30 in the morning almost. Conveyor belt system, that's it. Conveyor belt system. And it ends up here and drops them out. The loading dock. And of course, we're out here. So it's been raining. Hope you guys down there in Florida and around the Gulf Coast are staying safe. We'll probably catch a lot of it tomorrow. Up here, hope it's not that bad. A few weeks ago, I cleaned the top of that off, knocked the dirt off so it could get it painted. And yeah, we get back at it. Hey guys, we're just finishing up this job. It's 4:33 in the morning. We got here at 7:30, and we got started about, I'd say maybe 8:30. It's about 8 hours, top to bottom, and in the tunnels, guys. When you have systems and you have no excuses, you make it happen, you work, you get things done. You want to fly with the eagles. You don't want to eat with the buzzers. So I say that to say this. Get good people around you that want goals and want you to succeed and want your business to succeed. And pay people well, take care of them. People over profits. I don't just say it, I preach it. It's on all my trucks, my trailers. But you take care of people and they'll take care of you. So we're gonna head to the house. And yeah, God is great. Let's go.